Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you all? Today is 16 August 2021 and the day is Monday. This is your English literature period. Today we are going to start the story in the garden. Okay. Kipper went into Chip's room and picked up the magic key. The key began to glow. Oh, help, said Kipper. Who went to Chip's room? Kipper. He's Kipper. He went to Chip's room. And what he did, he picked up the magic key and the key began to glow. So he said, oh, help. Kipper ran outside and looked for Biff and Chip. She is Biff and he is Chip. They are elder brother of Kipper. Help, he called. The key is glowing. He said that help, the key is glowing. Biff and Chip were playing with Wilf and Wilma. They were playing in the sandpit. Let's look at the magic key, called Kipper. Chip and Biff were playing with Wilma and Wilf. Who are they? They are their friends, and they are playing in the garden on the sandpit. See, they are playing in the sandpit with a toy car. See, they are playing with a toy car. So Kipper called that, look at the magic key. Biff was cross. Come on, everyone, she yelled. Run inside. Get to the magic house. So Biff was angry with Kipper, and she shouted and she said that run inside, get into the magic house. They have a magic house as well, and she said that get into it. But it was too late. The magic began to work. The children got smaller and smaller. So but it was too late. Okay, and the magic began to work and the children get smaller. See, first they are big, and then they become smaller and smaller. The children were in the grass and everything looked big. The grass was like a jungle. Where were the children? They were in the grass and everything looked big, and there the grass is look like a jungle because they become very small now. See? So they are still in the garden, and they are on the grass, and grasses look like a jungle. What are big flowers? Said Kipper. Who said this? Kipper. See, he is holding a flower and he said that what a big flower. Chip saw a bumblebee. He didn't like it and he didn't like the jungle. Let's get out of here, he called. He is Chip and he saw a bumblebee. He didn't like the bumblebee and he didn't like the jungle. So he said that let's go out from here. The children came out of the jungle. They came to a mountain. What a big mountain, said Wilf. They came out from the jungle and they came out to the mountain, and the Wilf said, what a big mountain. Chip began to climb. He wanted to get to the top. Come on, he said, let's climb up. So he started climbing. Okay, he began to climb up, go up, and he wanted to get to the top. And he called others as well. Let's come on and let's climb up. The children got to the top. Kipper was hot. I don't like climbing mountains, he said. The children got to the top, and Kipper was hot. Means he get tired. Okay. I don't like climbing mountains, he said. Who said these words? These words were said by Kipper, that he don't like climbing. The children looked at the sand. It looked like a desert, said Biff. Let's go down. Oh no, said Kipper. First they climb up to the mountain and then they look at the sand. So the sand is look like a desert. Desert is a place where there is no tree or no water. Okay. So only sand is there. So the sand is look like a desert, and Biff said that let's go down. So Kipper said, oh no. Look at the toy car, said Wilma. Let's get inside and ride down. We can ride down to the desert. So Vilma said that look at this toy car. They are playing on the sandpit with a toy car, na? So she said that look at the toy car and let's get inside and we ride down to the desert. See, okay. In this if you turn the page, if you come on page number 2, just see they have a toy car. They are playing with it. See, this is the same toy car. Okay. So what she said, that she said look at the toy car, let's get inside and ride down, we can ride down to the desert. Okay, for today till here, see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz. We continue this story in the next class. Allah Hafiz.